Creating an account is free and easy to do. Simply browse to logtagonline.com and click Create an Account to begin the sign-up process. Enter your details to complete the form. Note your password must be at least 6 characters long. If you have an activation code from your distributor, enter it in now. The activation code gives you access to any additional features you have purchased. You can leave this field blank or enter a code in later. If you wish to receive SMS alerts, then please enter your full mobile number and your service provider detail. Click Next Step once you're ready and check that the email address you provided is correct. Then click Verify Email to confirm your account. Contact us via the support link in the video description if you have any issues.